just deleted this. Yeah. Just deleted this. Now I'm back in. Hello.
Shut up! Stop being racist, little kid!
I'm not good at tutorial.
It's also hair, not black hat, you stupid Nick.
Why is this so...
Yo, why
I'm
so trash?
up at tutorial.
Fuck my ball spy hat.
Why is this...
Bro, my hand! Oh, you are so lucky, bro.
Oh, that's crazy!
That's crazy.
I'm up tutorial. I'm up at tutorial.
Yeah,
I'm up.
me trash.
I'm up at tutorial.
You're injured.
Get
You're
over
not
here.
new.
Wait. Suck my balls, you faggot.
You're not new, bro, nigga. What do you want, Angel? That's my brother.
Yeah, because that's where you start in games. That you always get option to get to tutorial, or you get the tutorial, but this didn't come up with. No.
Bug.
What do you want? Ah. But why'd you call my name? My name is Bug.
This is a kid, though. Ooh, you?
Give me back my brother.
Him.
Shit, it's my brother.
How old are you?
What? What?
How old, too? How old?
He's 5? Fuck you! Report him, he's underage. Yeah, oh yeah, he's actually underage. Report him! Report him! You gotta be 13 plus. You gotta be 13 plus.
For any age.
No, it says 13 plus. We are.
You have to be 100 years old. Wait, report me. Why?
Cause you're underage.
No, I was talking about the other kid. Not me. I'm not 5.
Yes, you are.
I'm 5.
I got bugged.
Yeah, he's. See? I asked him. He said he was 5.
No, you're fine.
Not me.
Tucky? Shut your bitch ass up.
Shut your ugly ass up.
Shut up, bro. What, my niggas?
Hello, Bug.
What's his name? His name is...
Bug.
My brother. You're so into Let go, let go.
There's 4 though. There's 3.
Fly. Fly, can you teach me how to play?
Mate, you can't... Dude, you have 13 and over to be... Kill yourself.
No, this game is for any age. This game is for any age.
It's for 13 plus.
No,
Exactly,
it ain't.
13 plus in the game.
No,
It
it
says
just
it when you first start the game.
Here.
check, okay? Dog. They
No,
changed.
how old are you?
If you look at the
Who
description,
did it, dog?
any age.
No, they didn't, dog. No, they didn't,
It's for
dog.
everyone. Wait, hi.
Yeah, dog.
I just called myself Cookie.
Shut up, dog. Kill yourself, kill yourself.
Bro, where
No one
does
gives
it
a
show?
When you first start the game.
Sorry.
Tonight the music.
Bro, I'm
feels so...
Oh, sorry, not you. Not. It says everyone. Rating everyone. That's why
You got
tagged. You good?
No, it doesn't.
You did before me. Hello,
I'm sick of checking it right now. I'm checking it right now.
It says rating everyone.
No, it doesn't. It says team, stupid.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it does says everyone. It does says everyone.
Yeah, stupid.
Stupid. Shut up, bro. You gotta enter.
Hey, if you also play this game, I'm gonna fucking report you at.
Shut your bitch ass.
Bro, my monkey's dookie, bro.
Yeah, get your mom.
Bro,
You will be coming on my monkey soon. Hello, Sunny boy. Sunny boy?
Round two? Question mark?
Why you sacked him?
Where did Angel go? That's my question. Yeah, where'd your girlfriend go?
Hey, do you want?
I'm not. She's not my girlfriend. The fuck?
You have a girlfriend?
Rizzy Bear.
Treat me like white tea. He fucking me dirty. Treat me like white tea. Don't do me dirty. Nigga, get tagged!
Oh, you're gonna get reported for saying the N-word because you're definitely black.
Yeah, I am black.
Yo, fly. You fly. You fly right there. You fly right there. You right
What,
there. You.
nigga?
You.
Why?
You said a monkey's a dookie.
Fly.
What?
Fly.
What?
Fly. Fly head.
What do you want? What do you want?
Fly head. Stop. Stop running.
What do you want?
Stop running. Stop running.
Bro, if you don't get your
Stop running.
Oh shit, I messed up.
Can you
What do
stop
you want? What do you want?
running? Oh
What do you
my
want?
god.
Shut up, bro. You're just tell me. Okay. I'm trying to report you, freaking nigga.
Wait, what?
You reported the wrong person.
I reported you, Laz. Or something.
No, you didn't. Shut up. You reported the wrong person. I saw you who you report. Yo,
I reported you, Laz.
Who's Laz? My name is Gorilla.
What is that?